Hi everyone, I'm Fatma. Today we are gonna make flaxseeds crackers. It is a very easy vegan and keto recipe. I hope you enjoy the recipe. Let's begin. Process 1 cup of flaxseeds and pour it in a bowl and add 1 cup of water, regular water, cold. Stir and let soak for 1 hour. Now you can see the consistency, it's thick. And now you are adding the seeds, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds. Each are 3 tablespoons. Now we are adding the spices. It's 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil and half teaspoon of salt. Combine the ingredients. Transfer the mixture to a baking tray covered with baking paper and spread it evenly. Bake 10 minutes at 200 degrees and then take it out and score them as desired. It's up to you, the shape. After score them, bake another 15 minutes at 200 degrees. I recommend to check the crackers every 5 minutes. These will prevent overbaking them. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Bye!